Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy tomato soup. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. You'll also need olive oil, salt, pepper, and a touch of sugar to balance the flavors. Ensure your tomatoes are firm and vibrant for the best taste, as they are the star of this dish. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and cook until it's translucent, about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Next, add your diced tomatoes and let them cook down for about 10 minutes before pouring in 4 cups of broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Once your soup has simmered for about 20 minutes, it's time to blend. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot or carefully transfer batches to a regular blender. Blend until it's wonderfully smooth, then return it to the pot if you used a standard blender. Reheat gently over low heat. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste, and stir in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream or fresh basil for extra richness. Your homemade yummy tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with a swirl of cream, fresh basil leaves, or some crunchy croutons. This soup is perfect on its own, but it truly shines when paired with a classic grilled cheese sandwich for a comforting meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.